Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. We're going to talk about section 1.4, composition of functions. We're working through this one, discussing number 42 and 58. This came up in our conversations in class. The key thing is that whatever's on the inside, most inside function, we work from the inside out. So we look for g of 3. Using the graph for g, that's find x equals 3 and find the height of the g function. That would be a height of 4 at g of 3. Then we use that information with the f function, and there's a graph of f that we're going to take this from and plug that into. So looking at the f function, looking at the location where x is 4, the height of the function f of 4 is actually 0. So f of g of 3 is 0. Thank you. Next up for us to do, reminder that you're going to use the graphs, you're going to use them one at a time. So you're going to start with the inside-most graph, the one that is embedded inside, or nested is a math word for us, nested inside the other function. F58 is a table, and tables and graphs are, related ideas. You can graph a table and you can table a graph. So using the table idea, f of g of 8, we're still going to follow the rule of what's on the inside, but we get our answer from the output of the table. So g of 8, if we can spot that on the table, a little bit of adjusting our graph. G of 8 means in x equals 8 row, we're going to find the output for g. It's 4. So take that 4, that's the answer or the output for g of 8, and we're going to put that into the composite function f of g of 8, as in g of 8 becomes 4. Now we look at the 4, the x equals 4 row, and we find out that f of 4 is actually also 4. So here we have the answer, f of g of 8 equals 4, using graphs or tables. This information or notation definitely comes back around. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop me a message. See you in the next video.